So today's a new day. We still have sun, and we have been, I guess, probably blessed with another potential sunny day tomorrow. So our chance of rain has went down, and then now we just have a percentage on Thursday. So we're really happy about that. This morning it was an early day. I had to go get the fascia, and I wanted to maximize the day, so I got up at 6:30 to go get that fascia in town. So got the fascia. Now we are going to be doing the second part of the ridge beam because we completed the first part yesterday.
All our rafters are cut, so we're going to be pulling up all of our rafters today. We got all the plumb cuts and all the heels, or all the bird's mouths done. So it's just a matter of getting the rafters up here and installing them. We'll do that, and then we'll get the ridge beam sorted out, I think, because we can just push the ridge beam up through and
yeah, and hopefully sheathing.
Well, what I'd like to do is, if we can get all these rafters done, then we still have to put some cross braces in, though.
Oh yeah, the cross braces and
which we might have to locate
the gable ends.
Yeah, we want to do that. Get our actual roof frame solid before we start putting in the
sheathing. Jumping ahead. So and
there we
then
go.
And then Skippy's working on her school stuff amongst helping us because she's amazing, and she'll probably be
come see what you guys are talking about.
And she'll probably be preparing us delicious food because she likes to do that. I mean, this has to come up, but we knew that, right?
Okay. So now we need to move the scaffolding down and do those.
Okay. Do you need a break or something?
I need a couple day break. Yeah.
I can't. We're gonna get this done, no doubt, today. And we'll talk about sheathing. There we go. Is that good?
Yeah, you're good. It's a bit high.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a new day.
I don't know if it's a new day or not. They all seem the same to me.
It does seem like Groundhog's Day again and again. But we did complete the second part of the ridge. So the ridge beam is now done, and we're tying in the rest of the rafters today. And
Yikes, Dad.
really excited about that. And Richard already, actually, while I was making the morning coffee, put one up. So I need to make coffee more often. So he started that already. So we'll finish that together, and then we'll hopefully start the sheathing, and then we'll see how far we get on that. And that's going to be a fun one.
My goals for the day.
I got to get out my climbing gear, which I haven't used for almost a year now. So I'm kind of excited about it, actually. Yes.
My goals for the day are school, a bunch of school, breaks, and playing in Brandon.
Yep, that sounds like good goals, Liliana.
And food.
And food?
And food, yeah.
Those are
Food's
good goals.
Yeah, so we'll go ahead and get going on the rest of the rafters. We have 16 more to install. That should go actually pretty quick.
Mm-hmm.
And then, like Amy said, we're going to get the sheathing going, we hope. It's scheduled for rain tomorrow. So we really, I don't think it's going to happen to get the sheathing on today in the felt paper, but
we're going to really try.
we're gonna see how far we get.
It's cold. It's cold.
Yeah.
It's cold.
We're going to see how hard we can work today without hurting ourselves.
Yeah. And last night we were hoping to get all the rafters done, but it got to the point where we were just physically and mentally done, and it was to the point where if we continued, we felt like it would be, dangerous because we'd make a mistake or, miss something. So
yeah, let's just get going before the rain starts tomorrow.
Happened?
Okay, sounds good.
Happened?
So it started raining. It's Wednesday. It wasn't supposed to rain till tomorrow. but it's raining, so we're trying to hurry up at the rafters. I'm gonna start putting plastic up across because I don't want this floor, I don't want the plywood getting any more wet than it needs to.
Yep.
So we're gonna get going on that while Amy keeps doing the rafters. She's doing an amazing job. She wanted to do it by herself. It's taking too long because of the rain. So we're gonna plow through it. So thanks. Okay, it rained a lot. Well, not really a lot, but it rained. But the important thing is that we got plastic over the top of everything. So now we can work under it and not have to worry about the plywood getting all soaked more. It did get wet, but we were getting some heaters to dry everything out. So we are going to continue getting the last of the rafters up, and then hopefully start putting some sheathing up. And we're going to be doing that under the plastic. So, yep, sounds good. You ready for the last rafter?
Yes.
You've done an amazing job.
Yes.
You basically put all the rafters up here by yourself.
I haven't put them all up, but this half, yeah, I think I did. And I want to really empathize with all of you that wear glasses, and when you sweat, it fogs up. I'm sorry that you've had to deal with that.
That's it.
The rafters are officially done.
Congratulations.
Oh, I feel accomplished. I was starting to lose a little momentum, a little energy. I also had a glass of lemonade, and I think it's kicking in. I'm ready to finish the house.
I would like you to take a break from up there for a while. I'm going to go through and I'm going to bolt in all these. Okay?
Okay, do you want me to bolt in these?
What do you mean bolt?
I thought, oh, we're gonna hurricane clip these.
If you want to be up there more,
I'm fine, and I prefer to be up here
you're gonna
than you.
need 8D nails.
8D?
Let me show you. Let me go get those and.
Okay, yeah. I got the house high. The house high. I'm high on the house because it's coming along. While Richard's been taking care of our water issue, he had to add plastic around to some trouble spots. I've been working on the hurricane clips. I got the second half in while Richard worked on getting that plastic on the outside just to kind of dry it in, because we have stormy weather for the next 5 days. So yeah, so I got all the rafters done by myself, which I'm really excited about. And now I'm doing the hurricane clips, so I can literally say I put a roof over my family's head, but this is why. This side is nice too, because on the other side that I predominantly had to be on that other scaffolding, I had to deck the whole time, so that was a little bit of a challenge. So I'm kind of excited about this side that I don't have to deck. So that's pretty awesome. show you what that looks like. Right here. We do have the house now completely enclosed, so there's no water coming through at this point because it's still going to continue raining throughout the weekend into next week. So we'll just work within the confines of the plastic, hopefully, and then get that sheathing up. So today I'm going to be cutting the blocking for the rafters to go in between there. And Richard and Liliana had to run into town to do our errands for the week. So I'm going to be installing now the breeze blocking.
Okay, so right now we're working on the gable end studs, and what we're doing is we're cutting them at the right angle of 26.5 degrees, so they fit into the rafter up top. And what we're doing is since we have a 6/12 pitch, we took the measurements out from the ridge board, came all the way down, and then that's our initial stud, and then we just subtract 8 inches for each stud after that. So we cut all of our studs for the one end, and now we're gonna go see if they fit. I mean, they'll fit somewhere, but hopefully they fit in the right spot.
Yeah. We're really. I need this. I need this to work. So yeah, let's go do it.
That was an easy way of doing it instead of trying to like measure 16 inches on center across the whole thing, and then trying to get a measurement for each one. It was easy just to subtract 8 inches.
Yeah, I like that. So
yeah. So thanks, Larry.
Glad that and that math is out there.
Math.
And I want to say to all those kids that think math is not important, it is important. It is so important. Yeah, you use it for so much in this kind of field, I guess. Yeah.
Just all over. Anyway, math.
Absolutely. Okay, so in reality too, this is only the third thing we built. We built 2 chicken coops in the house.
I can hold it. That's
okay.
Fine.
Familiar with that.